Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful lace style Mother's Day card using Cricut Design Space. You'll need your Cricut machine, cardstock of your choice, brayer, scoring stylus or tool, a Cricut pen, foam squeeze and your Design Space project kit. Preparing your mat. Start by removing the protective cover of your mat. Place your cardstock onto the mat and use a brayer to press it down firmly. This is really important for intricate designs. A clean sticky mat and properly adhered cardstock will help avoid tears or miscuts. Make sure your mat is free from leftover pieces from a previous project. Any debris can mess up your cuts. If it is humid where you are, you may also want to iron your cardstock to remove moisture, as this prevents warping. Step 2. Load your tools and start cutting. Follow the prompts in Design Space to load your scoring tool or pen as needed. Then load your mat into the machine. Cricut machines are great at handling delicate details, and the Maker 4 does an especially lovely job. But this project can also be done on other Cricut models. Once the cutting is finished, carefully eject your mat. Removing the design. Here's a great tip to avoid tearing. Turn your mat upside down and gently roll it away from the cardstock. This keeps your design flat and intact. Because my mat is quite sticky, it's brand new, I used a weeding or scraping tool to prod away the more delicate pieces. As you can see, most of the cut stays nicely on the mat, making it easier to remove cleanly. Once the design is off, go ahead and pick out those remaining loose bits to weed it. Now let's put it all together. Fold your card along the scoring line. Insert your inner card piece into your design. Now we're going to assemble the center heart. Place some foam squeeze behind the design and remove the backing papers. Layer it on top of your backing. I've used a glitter cardstock here and I absolutely love how it looks. Next we're going to start shaping our lace flower. I like bending it up just a little bit so it points up. Using a foam square for dimension, I'm putting it in the center and putting the flower on. The second flower I've decided to just put loosely inside a card for a special surprise. And that is it. Your gorgeous Mother's Day card is ready to gift. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and feel inspired to make your own version. Happy crafting and happy Mother's Day.